Hi, so here is how you can storyboards on mobile browser from scratch. Okay, no app, no laptop required. Okay, so everything you can do it from mobile browser. So very important tutorial. Okay, so and this is actually completely free. Okay, completely free you can create. Okay, so whatever browser you are using, you can use it. For example, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge. Okay, whatever on mobile device. Okay, so just watch it till the end. Okay, so now we'll start creating the storyboard. So for example, just come to this page over here, create a free account. Okay, using the link. So once you will create an account, you just scroll up and then you will find this storyboard section over here. Okay, you can just click on more options over here. You will have the more. Okay, this is the option called more, and then you just scroll like this and then you will find storyboards. Okay, this is the storyboard section. You tap on it. Okay, then you will find lots of templates, okay, to choose from, right? And then you select one template. Today we will customize this paid adoptions. Okay, you have restaurant templates, marketing, insurance, then microwave, hotel management, okay, travel, everything, right? Real estate, art therapy. So today we'll customize this one, paid adoption. So simply tap on it, okay, the template, so that you can edit it. So this is the edit page, canvas page. Okay, from here you can customize in this one. Once whatever you want, you can edit it and make it your own. Okay, and then finally you can download it. So very useful and beautiful tutorial, so be with me. Okay, so very helpful tutorial, okay, on mobile browser completely for free. So for example, you will have some options over here. Okay, data, media, brand kit, my files, AI hub, and also if you scroll, you have templates. Okay, over here templates, then basics, graphics, photos, data. Okay, then rest of the things I told you. Okay, all these options, and then these options actually you will find at the bottom. Okay, and over here at the top you will find animate, timeline, resize, project, object list, and this is basically the download option over here, and this is the share option. Okay, the arrow, small arrow, and you have the file name. Okay, and you can check the comments. If you are on shared mode, you can check the comments, and these are actually 3 horizontal lines for the menus. Okay, means lots of menus and options you will find over here. Okay, so and you have this one over here, redo and undo. Okay, and this option very important, zoom in, zoom out, this line over here you can find this. Okay, sorry, this line. So this line over here you have to zoom in and zoom out the project, and this blank space. Okay, you have this blank space here and blank space here at top and bottom to position your slide or the file. Okay, so that you can edit the whole page. Okay, the whole file. So in this way you can start edit. So for example, this is paid adoption over here. Okay, you double tap on that elements to start editing the text. Okay, so paid campus, just for example. Okay, this is how you can add new text, means you can edit it. And this is the icon. Okay, you can change the icon also, you can position it. Okay, you can delete it, whatever you want. Okay, so in this way you can for example, you want to delete it, so how you can do it? This is the icon, simply tap on it. Okay, then come to this section called this one. If you long press, then you will find delete. Okay, option over here, delete. So you can see has been deleted. Okay, now I want to undo so that I get it back. Okay, now you have this flip section over here. For example, let me flip this image. Okay, this is dog image. You simply select it. Okay, so that and long press, and then edit image. Okay, so that you can flip it. So you have flip option over here. You can see down you have the flip option. Okay, so you can just simply tap on it so that the dog will flip. So now in which direction you want to flip, you have to select. Okay, from here you need to select. So I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. I have a request, please like this video. Okay, it will motivate us. Just a thumbs up, it will motivate us a lot to create more useful tutorial like this. Okay, so let's continue with the tutorial. So this is how you can customize and you can edit this whole actually creative file. Okay, this storyboard. Now touch up tools, you have some touch up tools also. Okay, erase, replace, background remover, all this, blur, upscaler. Okay, I don't want anything. So filters also. Okay, you have lots of filters, overlay. So you can add them. Then frames, you have frames also. Okay, if you want you can use the frames. Then you need to apply it. Okay, so I don't want, just you for your purpose, like understanding purpose, I have shown you. So this is how. Now if you want to change the image, okay, this is very important. So you come to this photos part. Okay, select the image and then come to photos. Okay, you have the photo section over here. You simply select, tap on the photos and select a photo you want. Okay, for example I like this photo. Then any photo you like, okay, you simply tap on it, or you can search also. Okay, for example there are lots of actually photos. Dog, you search with dog. Okay, then you will get all the photos related with dog. Okay, so you can see we have dog photos. Okay, I like this one, so you replace. Okay, this the photo, you tap on the replace image so that you can replace this. So you can see our image has been replaced. Okay, with the new image. So in this way you can customize it further, and there are few more very useful options over here. Again you click on three dots. Okay, here you can see you have quick search option over here. You simply tap on it, and if you are not able to find any options, okay, for example you need circle. Okay, so you simply tap on circle so that you will get circle option over here and you can use them. So this is how you can see it has been added, but I don't want, so that I'll delete it. Okay, so again you long press on that object and you have lots of options. You have cut, copy, paste. Okay, over here cut, copy, paste, recycle icon, average, duplicate, lock, unlock, delete, actions, flip. I have already shown you flip, vertical, horizontal, comments. Okay, rules and guides, quick search, alternative text. Okay, all these options you have. Very useful tool, actually completely for free. Okay, so now I want to delete, so again you long press. Okay, sorry, this is not the, yeah, so select the object and then long press. Okay, so that you will get the delete option. Now if you single press, then you will have the option called paste, background setting, add page number, comments, then show ruler and guides. Okay, all these options you will get. So now just a few more things I want to tell you. If you tap on this section side arrow, okay, you have this side arrow over here. If you simply tap on this, you can add new slides or the new page. Okay, over here new create new. Okay, you have option called create new over here, so that you can create new page or new slides. Okay, these are the blank slides. So two blank slides are there. Now if you want to delete or if you want to do something, simply single tap on it, and then you have the gear icon over here. Okay, gear, so you click on this gear, then you can see you have the cut, copy, paste, add new slides. Okay, then move slides beginning, up, end. Okay, duplicate, hide, delete. Okay, so background change, transitions, download slides, means lots of features. Okay, so I want to delete it, so you simply delete it. Okay, now this is basically the slides options, and these are comments. Okay, if any of your team members comments, you will find it over here, open comments. Okay, just receive, resolved, all this you will find. And over here you can add notes. Okay, add title and notes. And for the notes you have the type, means fonts. You can select size, font size. Okay, like that. You can make it bold, italics. You can position it, align it, and settings. You have the settings, allow access. Okay, then hide speaker notes if you want, you can do. Okay, So note is done, and also you have this option, means how you want to display the slides. Okay, in this way you can change this layouts. Okay, so this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me. There are lots of things actually to tell left. I will try to cover in my next videos. Okay, just comment me or what exactly issues you are facing, okay, while creating storyboards using this tool, beautiful tool, very useful tool. I will clarify it, okay, by creating a new video. Okay, so just before ending, you can chat with these experts. Okay, if you need any help in your sales, marketing, design, business, automations, anything, business or personal use, okay, experts are there. Chat is completely free. If you want to hire just for starting from 5 USD, you can hire them. They will do your work very professionally. Okay, so subscribe this channel and be with us. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye.